Hello everybody, it's been a long time since I've made a video and I have some exciting news. I am officially open for business for typewriter repair, service, sales, parts and accessories. As much as I can provide, because of course, as you can expect, in this day and age it's hard to find. We find ourselves in Alfies, which is a collective business, so to speak, a space in downtown Nanaimo, shared between Venneburg Typewriters and Venneburg Vintage. Here I specialize in customer repairs. I'm currently working on a Hermes 3000, the second gen from the 60s, late 60s. Probably a 66 or a 67, I've yet to look up the date. And on this side you'll find Venneburg Vintage, where Lizzie Hawkins conducts vintage and antique clothing mending. Specializes in complex repairs and fragile fabrics. Very hard skill to come by, and she does it all as long as there's consultations. She prefers to work on the old and antique. As you can see, it is still a work in progress, but we're incredibly proud of this opportunity, and I hope to keep you in the loop as far as progress is concerned. Steps are being taken and we only hope to grow bigger from here. Thanks for watching.